We've got our best-selling backyard pit in the shop here today, guys, the Fridge 48. All right, now the Fridge model, that is our cabinet door series of smokers. Very easy to open the doors, not lifting a big heavy lid up. You got 3 sliding trays inside. So this is a 48. We can make them in all different sizes. 3 sliding trays, a lot of cook room. This is a reverse flow pit. So what that means is we've got removable plates in here that direct the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. Very easy to cook on. Did add the thermometer eyebrows over the TMG Pits Tell Trues there. On the shelf, we did the upgraded stainless shelf. Of course, it folds down, locks up when you're ready to go. Paper towel utensil holder on there as well. This is on our caster package, guys. Come around to the hot box, 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Y'all know the deal, 1,776 square inches of cook space alone. That is because we love America. Now this hot box runs independent from the smoke chamber, so you may be running at 2 different temperatures at once. Makes it very versatile. On our firebox here, this did get the upgraded insulated firebox. Still got our fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Come around on the back side. Now this is what we like to call shelved up, guys. We got the rear folding shelf. Folds down, big area to prep, serve off of. But that ain't it. He's got one on the nose as well. Yet another shelf, folds down. Guys, you're not gonna complain about having too much shelf space. Folds back up when you're done. It's like it's never even there. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.